Alright, so it's Ricky Repairs back at again. Today we have a 2007 Toyota Camry. So what I would like to share with you guys is if you're looking to buy a used car, make sure you verify the miles. As you can see, I show the plates right here. So you can look up the history with the plates, if not with the VIN number. So I'll show you where you can find the VIN number. Let's get open the door. So you can find the VIN number right here. As you can see, that one is cut off, but you can also find it right here. Show you another place right there. The VIN number's right there, so you can find it there, and also you can find it in the registration. So yeah, most of the time when sometimes people won't show you their plates. But yeah, just ask for their license plate. Hopefully they provide that, or the VIN number. Hopefully they could provide both. If not, you just only need one. But yeah, so you can check the Carfax, the history of the car, so you can at least verify that the car has the original miles. As you can see, this car has 94,000 miles. When I got it, it had about 75,000 miles, I believe. But yeah, I've been putting miles on it. And also, you can find the VIN number on the registration of the car. I'll show you real quick. So you can find the VIN number right there and the license plate. They're both on right there. All right, so yeah, so you want to verify the miles, because a lot of times I've seen that a lot of cars like Toyotas and Hondas, they're reliable, and many people are looking into buying a used car, and also that they know that those cars are reliable, so they look into those cars. And most of the time, a lot of times, the cars have over 100,000 miles, and a lot of times that people, they lower the mileage. I don't know why, but yeah, maybe to get a better price, more money for your car, but it's not good. So yeah, it might cost you about $45 or $50 to get a Carfax and to verify the miles, which is not bad, because then you don't want to buy a car that's over 200,000 miles and on the dash it shows something else. So yeah, definitely invest in that. It's not a bad investment. All right, so I'm gonna show you the Carfax for this car. Hopefully I'm able to do that. All right, you can see the value of this car is $10,000. As you can see, it's a 2007 Toyota Camry, 2.4 4-cylinder. You can see the VIN number right there. See, 3 previous owner. Last reported odometer is 78,000 miles. History reports 25. Damage reported. All right, let's go and check that out. Oh, also when there's a problem with the odometer, it'll show you right here where it says right there odometer brands. There won't be a check mark right there. And also if it's salvage or something, it will let you know right there. As you can see, there's an accident on February 23rd. All right, so let's go ahead and check the miles. You can see on the left side, it tells you right there. And the services on the right side, 40,000, 10,000, 18, 24, 29, 32, 34, 35, 40, 44, 54, 55, 56, 59, 60. And then the second owner, California, 63, 67, 67, 69, 70, 74. Like I said, on the right side, you can see all the service that's been done on it. 74, 77. And you can see right there, that's where the damage was reported, front and the rear. See right there. Third owner right there. So last reported was 78,000 miles on March 12th, 2023. All right, so there you have it. So yeah, when there's problems with the odometer, it will let you know right here. Or even within the service, when they do the service, they mark down the mileage and you'll see the mileage difference. So yeah, make that investment, which is worth it. All right, so that's it for today. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.